Hello and welcome to Canada Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful old pod machine, one of the original pod machines. And you can see the front cover. It's made by a company called Terry. I actually haven't heard of it, but it looks very similar to a Lapavoni one. And you can see it has a lever here that just moves a screw assembly up and down. So it just screws up and slides. Really simple. And so you just put your pod in here, the paper pod, ESE pod, and tighten down. And you can see the inside here. There's some thermostats here, one for steam, one for hot water, regular, safety thermostat. Actually, this is the steam system over here on the left. This is the coffee system here on the right. Solenoid valve. This is the pump I just replaced. The pump had gone bad. And there's another little pump down there too for the steam valve. You can't really see it, just barely. So yeah, there's the inside of an old pod espresso machine. Thanks for watching with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below.